All of you know why birds fly in a V. All of you have seen it and heard it before. Do you agree? And they still do it consistently because it's working. Consistently. Because there's no egos. Think about these things practically in a game, boys. The whole flock have a greater flying rate by the formation that they fly. If we are aligned and we agree, we've got a better chance of getting somewhere. So easy here. If you fall out of the formation and you're not aligned, think about that game plan thing. You quickly feel, holy fuck, my teammates is telling me, get off, get out. You're not part of the thing anymore. You feel the drag. You feel the team telling me, Rassie, you're a windgat now. You're entitled. You're not taking ownership. You feel it and you get the resistance. Or you fuck off or you fall back into line. But people must tell you that. That's being in a V formation. If the lead goose tires, another one takes the front position. Doesn't always have to be the captain. And sometimes you're a soldier, but sometimes you're a character and you see, yeah, the captain is flustered. Or the coach is flustered. Half time. Yeah, die coach is busy. Hy praat soveel kak. Hey, stop Rassie, jy praat kak. Kom ons begin net focus. What can we do? What can we do better? So you can actually flip and help a little bit. You don't just have to sit there and head nod all the time. And then the last one is, if one of the guys actually fall out of line and you become entitled, listen, you as a character or a soldier, or you go and worry about that guy, go and sit with him and say, hey, Pel, jy gaan deur 'n kaktyd. Yes, jy's nou beseer. Lood, hoe gaan ons jou terugkry? Wanneer is jy terug? Until you're up again and they form their own little V and they catch up with the flock again and they go. We did this the first time in 2004 when I coached the Vodacom Cup team. It was 14 years ago. And the mall formation was built on that. The whole thing was around it. But it's so uncool to talk about it now. It's so uncool because there's so many other things that you can do. You know, you can show your help, you can tweet your help the old Tanny over the road. That's cool. You can do other things but it's uncool to talk about this. It's uncool to say, listen here, but you're being a little bit of a windgat now, man. You're not focused on this thing. So that's a V formation kind of thing. I'm almost done with this.